The president of South Africa, Mr. Cyril Ramaphosa, has dared the ANC to specify a date that they want him to resign. My name is Ualokwan, and these are the news that matter the most. Now, Cyril Ramaphosa's situation stems from a scandal involving stolen money at his private farm, Ipalapala, which has raised questions about his leadership and integrity. Now, this is just a breakdown that I think the ANC considered before having a discussion to impeach the South African president, Cyril Ramaphosa. Now, in 2020, $4 million was reportedly stolen from Ramaphosa's game farm in Limpopo. And former State Security Agency Director Arthur Fraser accused Ramaphosa of concealing the crime and kidnapping suspects and bribing them to keep quiet. Now, a parliamentary panel found Ramaphosa may have violated the constitution and anti-corruption laws, paving the way for impeachment proceedings. Now, the African National Congress, known as the ANC, has been divided, with some members calling for Ramaphosa's resignation and others supporting him. And Ramaphosa denies any wrongdoings, stating he's willing to step down if asked by the ANC's National Executive Committee. Now, Ramaphosa has also called on his critics to provide a specific date for his resignation, indicating he's willing to step down if asked. And there's reports going around suggesting that Ramaphosa might face impeachment proceedings, but his spokesperson has denied these claims, stating the president will fight any attempts to remove him. Now, the ANC's National Executive Committee sets to meet and discuss Ramaphosa's future. Now, if you want to stay updated in this developing story, all that you have to do is subscribe